What a beautiful day it is right here in Rome, Italy, and we're having a fantastic time literally standing right in front of one of the most iconic places. It's called the Pantheon. As you guys can see, beautiful architecture, but that is not the main point today. Where we're going is even more iconic than the iconic Pantheon that we have right behind me. We're actually going to the Colosseum, one of the most infamous places. Every single time when someone is coming to Rome, they're like, hey, I want to check out the Colosseum. Well, that's what we're doing right here, right now. Just making a little intro video right now. Wow, so excited. Let's do it.
One of my favorite things that I've noticed in Rome is all these cute little truffle shops where we could get little samples of truffle spread, and maybe we're gonna take a few home with us.
And just like that, we have made it to Palazzo Venezia. This is actually reminding me of Caesar's Palace from Vegas, but I mean, wow, as you guys can see, the architectural masterpiece that we have right behind me is just fantastic. We've got a guy on a horse, I mean, great statues. This is also giving me a great idea to get a statue of myself on a horse. I think this is added to the list on one of the goals that I do have, but wow. Beautiful times. Let's go ahead and get to the Colosseum. And just like that, we are almost at the Colosseum, but as you guys can see right behind me, we have a fantastic view of the ruins that, you know, existed here. Lots of history was over here. I mean, everyone's having a great time. All right, looks like, now it's all good. It's all good. I appreciate it. Yeah, water is important. Yeah, so, you know, we just had, you know, someone kick off our water, but we'll take it. We'll take great times over here. But yeah, I mean, as you guys can see, beautiful dome, and then I'm actually really liking the ruins over there as well. As you guys can see, lots of history, and the crazy part is that we're actually thinking about going down here and getting up close and personal with this amazing ruins. Wow, let's get into it. Ooh wee mama. I mean, having a fantastic time right in front of the ruins, and as you guys can see, I'm literally touching them. I'm touching the history that we have right in front of me, and honestly, I'm in full-blown awe, extremely amazed with the beauty that is literally right in front of me. I'm not exactly sure if that's like a Turkish flag or something, but we're not in Turkey. We're not in Turkey, so maybe it's some sort of like historical flag. Maybe I should have paid a little bit more attention in history class, but hey, still great times over here, still appreciating these amazing ruins right before the Colosseum, baby. Let's go.
And just like that, you guys, we made it to the infamous, the grand, the beautiful Colosseum right behind me. And we're so excited to go inside and check it out. Come along.
You don't come to Rome, Italy without even thinking about an infamous, towering, beautiful piece of architecture. And well, that piece of architecture is literally right behind me, the Colosseum. One of the most infamous things and one of the most beautiful things I have ever seen. And wow, as you guys can see, this ruin just looks amazing. Having a fantastic time, and this looks nothing but majestic. And wow, what a great time this is. This is amazing. I'm in full-blown awe, baby. Colosseum, let's do it.
Oh, go ahead. You do it. I know this is your moment.
And just like that, guys, we have made it to the inside of the Colosseum. And as you guys can see, we're on the second floor right now. The inside of the Colosseum looks nothing more than majestic. I totally thought it was like a flat land, but it's really not. It's just, you know, very deep and, you know, different type of textures and stuff. But very cool stuff going on right here at the Colosseum. Around two, baby. Let's do it. The crazy part about the Colosseum is that it has two stories, and as I told you guys, we're on the second story, but we literally went all around, and now we're on the other side. I mean, we're literally getting a 360-degree angle of the architecture that is inside. I think we are also able to go downstairs, but I'm not sure if we're gonna go, because I mean, we're kind of on a time crunch, but having a fantastic time. I'm so glad you guys are here with us and having a great time as well, just because, I mean, this type of architecture you have to see one time in your life. As I promised you guys, we are getting closer into this beautiful piece of architecture, and as you guys can see right in front of me, we have a lot of details of this beautiful Colosseum. Looks like there was a lot of stuff that was going on underground. I'm assuming, yeah, you know, this is where the fighters used to live, that used to, you know, perform over here, and where we were basically up there earlier, the second story. Had a fantastic time. Now we're hanging out up and close and personally right here with these amazing ruins. Wow. So amazed. Let's do it. So right across from the Colosseum, there is another ruin, and we were actually able to get tickets and come in here as well. And as you guys can see, I mean, this is called Basilica de Masinzo, Basilica of Maxentus. So very cool ruins that we have got going on. Very hot, but as you guys can see, we can see, you know, basically 180 degrees of the city of Rome. And wow, it just looks extremely majestic. And this is just beautiful. This is beautiful. This is the type of stuff that you see in history books, never in real life for a lot of Americans. But, you know, I'm very glad we're getting to, you know, take you guys along and explore this beauty in person right through this YouTube video. This is fantastic stuff, man. Wow. Let's see what's next. And just like that, guys, we have made it to Fora Romanos. It's basically on top of this fantastic, the place, the ruin that we're at. And as you guys can see, I'm literally getting almost 360 views of literally everything. So let's go ahead and get started from that side. I mean, you could see Colosseum where we were inside all the way over there. Then we, you know, basically just take that little entrance and we come all the way down. And you guys can see lots of cool ruins around here as well, which we're going to explore a little bit as we get down. And then, of course, the entire city of Rome is just looking majestic as always as well. And as you can see, I mean, right there, that is like the beautiful white little tower slash, you know, temple. I don't even know what it's. I think it's called Palazzo. So yeah, Palazzo is like right there as well, kind of looking like Caesar's Palace. I do believe Caesar's Palace in Vegas is kind of, you know, based around that as well. Don't quote me on it, but it does look very similar. And we've got really beautiful domes over there as well. But the crazy part is that we keep going all the way over there, and we just explore, you know, the hidden gems that you're not able to see of this beautiful city. And I mean, there's a lot of really subtropical type of trees that you see giraffes eating in sub-Saharan Africa, all the way over there. But also you're able to see a lot of residential stuff and people just living their lives in this beautiful city. And I still can't believe that, you know, this historic city, people live here, and this is like, you know, a normal life for them. But for us, it's a very special moment. I'm so glad for you guys it's a special moment as well. Wow, what a day has been. So my favorite place in this entire Fora Romano is actually this beautiful pond and the ferns with this waterfall right in front of me. And as you guys can see, we have lots of cool looking goldfish around here, and it's super hot. But as you guys can see, this waterfall is just growing a bunch of moss. And this is not even, you know, like any tropical thing. But I mean, since the waterfall is there, the tropical plants are actually able to grow. The moss is able to grow and look fantastic with these amazing ruins. And wow, what a great ambiance this actually combines and becomes. And wow, this is fantastic, and I'm sure you guys are enjoying this as well. Let's go. And just like that, guys, we have made it to the infamous statue garden right here in this beautiful ruin. And as you guys can see, we have full white marble statues of very cool people. I mean, most of these are actually headless, and this is the only one that does have a head on it. And it looks just fantastic. I mean, as I'm touching it right now, it just feels beautiful, feels historic, and feels fantastic. What a great day this is. And as you guys can see, we were actually right up there checking these statues out. And then we're like, oh yeah, we have to go down there and actually, you know, touch them, feel them, and kind of see what the vibes here are looking like. And vibes here, guys, are fantastic, and everyone's having a fantastic time. And these statues are looking amazing, and they're basically just getting scorched in the heat, having a great time as well. Wow, what a great time right here, baby. Let's do it. All right, guys, and just like that, we're on the tail end of our tour, and we have made it to this beautiful outside part of the museum that we're in. My favorite part here is the ceiling. As you guys can see, there's a huge, very beautiful design on the dome that we have right there. But as you can see, all around, there's beautiful architecture, great times, and great vibes. Lots of history over here, and I mean, this museum is just, you know, beautiful. I mean, what can I say? I mean, even it's just everyone's having a great time, taking fantastic pictures, just like we are. And wow, great stuff here. Let's do it.
So remember how we were up there earlier, just exploring this from an uphill view? Well, now we're actually down here. We actually had to go through all the tunnels and everything to make it to this point. We're getting up close and personal for all the historic ruins.
And just like that, guys, we have made it to Palazzo de Varena, and we're having a great time. I know we saw this from a little bit farther away earlier, but now we're up close and personal. We're on these amazing stairs, and we're observing the beautiful guards hanging out right there. The beautiful intricacies of this. I mean, I think this is kind of a castle, so we'll consider this a castle. Just look at the horses on top and look at the vibes. I mean, it's honestly, the building is great, but the vibes that people are bringing from all around the world, that is what we're here for. That is the energy I'm here to absorb, and I'm so glad you guys are absorbing this energy with this video as well. Wow, what a day it has been right here in Rome, Italy, baby. Let's do it. And just like that, guys, we have made it to Palazzo Venezia, and we're literally on top of the white thing that we showed you guys earlier. But the best part here is that the view that we're able to get of the entire city of Rome is nothing but majestic, man. As you guys can see, we get a 180 view, and it just looks so interesting, so intricate. And we have this giant statue of this guy on a horse, just looking amazing as well, with the Italian flags. I mean, how could you even complain in such a beautiful place? I mean, these beautiful pillars, just the beauty here is something amazing, something fantastic, and we're having such a great time. Oh my goodness, what a day, baby. Let's do it. And just like that, this is the end of a fantastic day right here in Rome, Italy. Wow, what a great time we had exploring one of the most infamous, one of the most ancient cities in the entire world. And now we're heading over to the next destination, baby. Thank you so much for guys to tag along. We had a great time. Let's go ahead and, say goodbye to the horsey right before we leave. Goodbye, horsey. Bye. And just like that, guys, we have made it to the infamous Piazza Nevado. This is a fantastic place that is right next to our hotel. And as you guys can see, beautiful statue, very beautiful Piazza Nevado, like pointy stuff that they have all around Europe, and a beautiful dome right next to me as well. Wow, it is such a fantastic time to actually bring you guys along this beautiful, beautiful journey that we've had. So much gratitude, so much love from us to you guys. So Rome, you have been amazing. What a great end to this amazing video. Let's do it.